to Cook It Up. I'm your host, Bucky Doville, and who are you? It's Aunt Jemima.
It's Aunt Jemima.
Say hello to those people.
Hi, everybody. I love you all.
That's my Aunt
This
Jemima.
is my son. This is
I'm
my
Bucky
son.
Doville. What can I say? And we're coming straight out the library in Compton. Compton. Okay. And
Compton
today,
is my hometown, son.
that's no doubt. But today we are going to show you how to make green pancakes.
Isn't that right?
That is right. That is correct.
My son makes the best.
I make the best green pancakes.
Oh,
I'll tell you that much. Okay, the key to making green pancakes is Aunt Jemima.
Oh, yes. That's my
That's
mix.
her right there. She got
That's my mix, son.
plastic surgery. Don't you recognize, fool. Recognize. All right. Now,
That's right.
we're going to open this a little bit. And just add a little, not too much.
Oh,
Add the whole
yes.
thing if you want to.
Oh, yes.
Add the whole thing if you want to.
Add the powder
All right.
mix.
You just add that
Add
mix.
the powder mix.
Now
What's next? What is the only thing you need with Aunt Jemima mix?
When it's Aunt Jemima, just add the damn water.
Add the damn
Add the
water.
damn water.
Just like I always said, add the damn water. Test it.
Taste test.
Oh, that's some good water.
That's Aunt
right?
Jemima water. You just add a cup. That's all you
the
need is add a
water.
cup. You don't need to measure. Just pour it in a cup
no,
and
you don't.
add it.
What do we
All right.
do next, son?
We're going to stir it a little bit.
Stir it.
Uh-oh.
Stir it. What's this?
That looks like green food coloring.
Green stuff.
You need
It's
to
the
add
green
that.
stuff.
You need to add that.
Oh, it's the secret
Get it green.
ingredient.
If you want it green, you got to add the green, okay? You don't
Add
get
the
green from nothing.
How much do we add, son?
I'm saying 4 drops.
4 drops.
4 drops. 4 drops.
4
Add
drops,
that, add
okay.
That, add that.
Here we go. 1.
For the Spanish, uno.
2.
The French, dos.
and
I don't know nothing else.
4.
I'm not bilingual.
That's okay.
I ain't
still
no
love you.
bilingual. I ain't
still
no
love
bilingual.
You, son. I still love you.
I'm splishing and splashing.
Sometimes you might need to add a little
There's
more.
stuff on the set and it's getting knocked over.
Sometimes you need to add a little more just in
See
case
what
there's a
happens?
little water
What
in it.
happens is when you're working on a crowded set, as we are right now,
You know, in the library,
things seem to get in the way.
a lot of people like
All right.
to be at the library.
Now you need to get your ladle off the ground. It shouldn't be on the ground,
It's
but if
still
it is,
clean.
that's okay.
The ground is clean as
And then
earth.
you go and you scoop from the dish. You scoop it from the dish.
Scoop it from the
You
dish.
add the butter. You almost forgot to add the butter, Aunt Jemima.
I'm sorry, son. I'm sorry.
Sometimes, Aunt Jemima.
While I'm adding this, can you make sure this is on high?
It is on high.
Okay.
You have to put that on high for all you folks out there in the western coast. I know you people don't like to use the heat out there, but we are making green pancakes.
I think it's all buttered up there, son.
Let's give it a minute to sizzle. Okay, it's sizzling, it's sizzling. And you just add it, scoop it, not too much.
The pancake mix.
That looks good. Just nice and ovular.
Oh, yes.
Nice and ovular.
And now, how long are you going to let it sit there?
I'm saying a minute or two.
A
You just gotta wait
minute
for
or
it to
two.
bubble. So we're gonna
Bubble.
do the green pancake dance if
Yes.
I'm not correct.
That is my favorite dance.
That's my favorite dance. It goes something like this. It goes green pancakes, green pancakes.
Green pancakes. Oh, yes, green pancakes.
This is the happiest dance of my life.
I love this dance. I love it.
All right. Back to the situation at hand. Collection is collection, but other than that, I understand. That's Snoop Dogg for you. But anyway, I got stuff in my phone.
We're back. We're back.
We are back here, and we are watching this cook. It's hot, so be careful.
It's hot. It's hot.
It's not that hot, but still be careful.
Oh, it's all right. It's
Me
all
too.
right. I don't know.
It might get hot soon, so we're just gonna wait for that to happen.
You just gotta let it heat up.
You let that heat up, and it's gonna bubble.
You gotta let it heat up.
While we're doing that,
We're gonna dance.
we're gonna dance some more. Here we go.
Oh.
Here we go. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. Listen to this shake, because it's shaking. Green pancakes. Yeah, it's getting hot.
Just can't hold back.
Not very hot, but it's-
Okay, I think it's on all the way.
It is on all the way. We checked all things. the only thing left.
I think it's time.
There could be a little malfunction in the wiring system.
Maybe.
Oh, my
I
goodness.
think there is. Oh my goodness.
Okay, so
I think we're gonna have to come back tomorrow for tomorrow's edition of this.
I don't want to say that we have to, but as the man says, he says,
We
get
have
off my
to.
step because I'm kicking you. And I was like, why you
Just
kicking
because we're from down south doesn't mean we're less equal.
You can't oppress us.
No, we will be here tomorrow to finish this.
We're cutting out because there's a glitch in the system, there's a bug in the wires, and there's a hacker in
But
the
it's
van.
not his fault.
It's not my fault,
his
okay?
fault.
Just-
He is a good cook.
I quit, all right? Just get the camera off me. I'm out. I'm
No.
out. Get it off me.
No,
Stop
son.
wiring
Son,
me
let me ask you a
and get it
question,
off me.
son.
Don't even
What are you doing, son? Son. Oh no, no. Son, get back here. What did I